Alright people, Dean Lawrence here again, sat in my van. I've just had a sneaky Burger King. Don't know if I'm allowed to advertise Burger King, but hey ho, I'm not making no money out of these videos at the moment. So basically, as my subscribers will probably know, I haven't actually made a video for a while. I know I don't have too many subscribers, but I want to keep you guys happy. The guys that are following me, I really appreciate the fact that you're following me, and I want to try and keep some decent videos coming. What would your thoughts be if you could drop a comment down below? I'm gonna change this channel up just slightly, purely because initially I wanted to make it just RC, and the thing is, with the RC breakdowns and time and family commitments, work commitments, like I say, I'm waiting on parts for the X-Max. I still haven't fixed the RC8 Truggy. Nitro Gaz's RCs are broken. He needs to get some parts, and he's still got to do a big unboxing of all them vintage bits that he bought. So what I was thinking was, I'm also into real cars. So I'm pretty convinced that most of you guys that are into RC cars probably like real cars. I mean, you could always, if I put a video up of something to do with real cars, or a review, or maybe a bit of drag racing, who knows, anything, some modifications to a vehicle, you know, if that's not the sort of video for you, you can skip that video, ignore that video, and there's always going to be RC videos coming up. So but I just want to add videos of other things to the channel, purely because I can keep regular videos coming. So if it's not for you, I understand, you know. And the other videos I wanted to do, I'm sat in my van at the moment. I'm going to work in a minute. The weather's been horrible, so I've stopped off at Burger King and had a quick burger. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is maybe some videos on what I do for a living. I clean windows for a living. I've got a water-fed pole system. If anyone wants any advice on setting up a water-fed pole system in the back of a van, if you want to go out and then, you know, be your own boss, whatever, you know, I can do some videos, some tips on that. So, I mean, this coming Saturday, I'm heading up to a mate's place, and I'm picking up a 1998 Saab 9.3 Coupe. It's got a B204 engine in it. I'm probably going to do a bit of tuning on it. It's going to be sort of a sleeper. I'm going to aim to get about, to begin with, 260 horsepower is the aim. And I'm going to try and get 300 horsepower over time out of it. And the plan is with that is it's going to be a nice family motor, and I'm going to surprise a few people on the roads as well. So if you want to see some videos of that, the chap I'm picking the Saab up off, he's got a nice collection of cars, and when I say nice, I mean nice. We're talking Ford Focus RS, 800 horsepower Nissan GTR. He's got race cars. He's got a... Oh, and you're gone. Let's bring you back. There we go. He's got a rat rod, which he uses. He's got all sorts. So I was thinking of doing some videos of the stuff he's got, and you know, he might take us out in the GTR and get some videos of the GTR. So yeah, I don't want to ramble too much in this video. I've been rambling now for 4 minutes exactly. So we'll wrap this one up. But just let me know what your thoughts are. If you know, happy to watch other kinds of videos. Do you want to see more RC stuff? I'm guessing my subscribers are mostly RC related guys, considering that's what my channel actually set out as. But I'm going to make it kind of about everything that I'm into, and you know, people I know. We're gonna introduce new people to the channel. We're gonna introduce their vehicles, their RC cars, their businesses, what they do for a living, how you can do what they're doing to make more money, how you might not want to do what they're doing, who knows. Anyway, that's it for this video. This video is literally just a quick update because I haven't posted anything on my channel for over a week. It was just to let you know what I've been doing and what my plans are. So Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RC carnage, real car carnage. And if you want to know how to set up a wind around, give me a shout. Cheers, guys. Ta-ra now.